Severe weather has hit the northern and western parts of Serbia, bringing heavy rain and thunderstorms. In some areas, there has been hail and hurricane-force winds.
Ovdje je kolaps. Znači, Novi Beograd, evo,
Around 1 p.m., a powerful storm struck Belgrade, raising dust clouds, and in some locations, wind speeds exceeded 100 kilometers per hour. Material damage was reported in various parts of the city. At least one person was injured, and traffic came to a standstill. The most severe weather hit the Vojvodina region, where a supercell phenomenon was also observed. By the afternoon, the storm was expected to move towards central Serbia.
ništa. Opšta propast.
Additionally, temperatures in the north and west dropped sharply in some areas of Vojvodina down to 18 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, it remained hot in the southern and eastern regions, with temperatures reaching up to 40 degrees Celsius.